Late this afternoon, a guilty verdict in the murder trial of Amanda Knox, which has been underway in Italy.
An appeals court convicted her again in the 2007 murder of her roommate. Knox wasn't there. She's been free since her acquittal in 2011.
So questions now turn to whether she'll be forced to go back to serve her sentence in Italy. She's in America right now. ABC's Brandy Hitt has the latest.
Amanda Knox is guilty of murder. That's the verdict once again from an Italian court following a brand new trial and 6 years of back-and-forth rulings within the Italian judicial system. The judge announced Knox has been sentenced to 28 years behind bars. Knox said she would be watching the announcement from her family's home in Seattle. The 26-year-old was convicted of killing her roommate, Meredith Kircher, in 2009.
Defendants have been acquitted.
But after spending 4 years in prison, Knox's conviction was overturned due to unreliable evidence, and she flew home to Seattle, opening up to ABC's Diane Sawyer.
Did you kill Meredith Kircher?
No.
Were you there that night?
No.
Last year, Italy's Supreme Court overturned that acquittal and ordered this new trial, with prosecutors alleging a new motive. Instead of Kircher dying during a drug-fueled sex game in 2007, prosecutors argued this time that she was killed during a fight over a dirty apartment. And Knox's ex-boyfriend, Raffaele Sollecito, received the same verdict.
So until this matter is completely resolved and resolved favorably, she will remain, understandably, concerned.
That concern is now growing, with the possibility of Italy using its extradition treaty and pressuring the U.S. to send Knox back to Italy.
How can they not ask to have her extradited? Meaning they then have a convicted felon on the books who they will then, I think, have to demand be extradited.
This case can once again be appealed to Italy's Supreme Court. Raffaele Sollecito, who is in Italy, was sentenced to 25 years and has been ordered to hand over his passport. Brandy Hitt, ABC News, Los Angeles.